don't know why you don't wear it down more often. It's super cute.
You really think so?
Of course! Is this another scheme to catch Adrien's attention?
No, I swear it's not that. I just felt like having a change of...
Hey, Ayla!
Alya! No, don't do it, I swear!
Yo, Adrien!
And hello, beautiful. Your hair looks great.
Wait, run that by me again, please?
Hi. Thanks.
Oh my god! What?
See you next period, Mari.
Yup. See you later.
You have some major explaining to do.
I love and hate you, Agent Aggress.